Welcome to Julijetek. I am glad to meet you. I am Julijetek presenter. If this is your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss any video. And if you enjoy what you will see, give this video a thumbs up. So this will really help me stay motivated and keep besides creating more content for you for free. Thank you so much.
So the first tool we are going to use is ChatGTP. So in ChatGTP, what you need to do is to upload your photo. Let's say you already have your own picture that you want to upload. You come here to ChatGTP, the plus sign, then you upload your picture. Alright, so here is the picture that I want to use. So let me upload it. So while it is uploading, let's add our prompt. So here is the prompt. Generate a 3D beautiful male cartoon character with same facial features as in the photo, sitting in the YouTube studio background. You can customize this prompt the way you want it. You can add things like note that the both hands should be clearly visible. Good. Alright, so let's send this. So since this is a free version, it's going to take some time before it generates. So let's just give it a moment.
A few moments later.
Alright, so it is done. But you can see here, there's a mistake here in the spelling of Julijetek. So we are going to tell it to correct the spelling. So by saying correct the spelling to Julijetek tutorial. So you send it. Alright, it has been corrected. So as you can see, this is Julijetek tutorial. And then it has the subscribe button here. So let's download that. And we are going to use it to animate it. I want to show you the next tool that you will use to animate this character. Now let's go to the next tool right now. So the next tool is Halo AI. So this is Halo AI. I'm going to drop the link to this tool in the description of this video. So when we are here in Halo AI, you come here to upload button. You click on the upload button and then you are going to upload the picture that we just downloaded. Now it is uploading. So while it is uploading, we can paste our prompts. So make him talk as a presenter, eyes on the camera with both hands, gesturing as if explaining something to the viewer. Alright, so that is our prompt. So you just want to animate this particular picture. So it is generating. Just give it a few seconds and it's going to be done. Alright, so it has been generated. As you can see, it is animating. It's very nice. Wow, this is cool. So the next thing that we're going to do now is to remove this particular watermark. So when you download this, it's going to ask you to download it with watermark or download it without watermark. So as you are coming here, you download it with watermark, and as you can see, it is already downloaded. So I'm going to show you the website that you can use to remove this watermark. So in the description, I'm going to add this website to the description. Now this is the watermark remover that I'm talking about. Alright, so when you are here in this website, you come here to features, then you will see video watermark remover. Click on it, and then we are going to upload the video that we just downloaded. So this is the video that we downloaded from Halo AI. So click on the video or double click on it, and then it is downloading. So make sure that you select this rectangle and then you come here to highlight the watermark. As you can see, it is highlighted properly. Now you click on remove now. So just give it a second, it's going to remove that watermark for you. So we are going to use that to add our voice and then synchronize our voice, and it's going to work perfectly. So stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to reveal another tool for you in few seconds. As you can see, before we finish talking, it has already removed it. So if you play it, it is still the same thing and our avatar is already on the move. Okay, so let's download that. So we are going to download the full video and it has been downloaded already. Good. So I'm going to show you the next tool that you are going to use to add your voice, synchronize your voice, let it speak as a real human. So stay tuned. So this is the next tool I'm going to show you. So this is free AI tool video generator. So what we are going to do is to add our animated video, and then we are going to add our text here, and I will show you how to generate it. So I'm going to show you how to clone your voice. So make sure you watch it to the end, because if you miss this part, you will not be successful. So stay tuned and follow my steps promptly. So now let's add the video that we just animated. So you come here, this is the watermark removed video that we just animated. So So we have removed the watermark already, so double click and it's going to be uploaded. Okay, so just give it a second. It has been uploaded already, as you can see here. So let's get rid of this. So now we are going to paste our text here. So let's type our text. So this is the text that I wanted to talk. Welcome to Julijetek. I'm glad to meet you, and the rest of the story. Okay, so now that we have added our text, we want to generate. But before you generate, you can select your voice. So if you come here to public voice, it will give you different voices. But if you want to use your own voice, you can come to mine and you can create a new voice. So if you want to create the new voice, just click here and then follow the step to speak to it for it to clone your voice. You can just do that in a couple of seconds to clone our voice. So we are going to record or upload 60 seconds of our voice and our tune will be available soon. All right, so here we go. So now let's record. So this is what they ask us to record. Make sure that you select your right microphone. So we are going to use external microphone so that you can pick the voice clearly. So we are going to read this out after clicking on this record. Today is if you stumble, you can just delete it and then come again. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and there is a gentle breeze in the air. I decided to take a walk in the park. The flowers are blooming, filling the air with their sweet fragrance. People are walking their dogs, and the dogs seem very happy. I sit on a beach and watch the world go by. It's a peaceful moment and I feel very relaxed. You click on the stop sign and then you click on this tick. Good. So it's going to clone our voice for us. So let's type the name for that voice. Say Julijetek voice 2. Good. And then we click on confirm. So we are confirming it. And then this is our voice. So we are going to select this voice, pair it with the avatar for it to say it for us. So let's go there. But before we select the voice, let us first of all hear how it says.
Welcome to Dream Phase.
Did you hear that? That is cool. Not so. Now let's go to confirm. So we have generated our voice and we have also selected our voice. So the avatar is going to read this out with our own voice. So now let's generate. So before you generate, let me show you this resolution. You can just select your resolution here. But if you have the premium version, you can just use the higher resolution. As you can see, it is generating. So just give it a couple of seconds and it will be generated.
A few moments later.
Now, after generating, you can use the video as you want to use it. Note that you can use this avatar to make a lot of videos. So as you can see, our video has been generated. So you can use the website for watermark remover to remove this watermark after downloading it. Just click here to download it, and then that's all. Please remember to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to bring to you another lesson very soon.